Everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about training hikes in the snow. Yes, I know I just talked about training hikes in inclement weather, in the rain specifically, but now we're getting closer to winter and some people are already getting snow. You need to think about doing some training hikes in the snow and not just yourself. Think about your entire family. And you can actually make it a fun family afternoon to go out and hike in the snow with the kids. One of the things you need to also think about is taking your packs, wearing your packs. Now, it doesn't mean you have to have the pack fully loaded because, hey, this is a training hike. This is when you're developing your endurance and the amount of stuff that you can carry. So start out small and light, mainly just change of clothes, socks, hand warmers, other things that could help you out if during your training hike something happens and you need to take care of things. Like especially make sure you have your first aid kit in there. But do some training hikes to get used to walking in the snow, finding out, well, gee, I guess that we need to get some of those little cleat things that we can strap onto our shoes, because sometimes in some of the areas we were hiking in got a rather a little slick and hard to walk in. Or if you are going through a state park or a local park and the trails are kind of snowed in, you may think about, oh, maybe we ought to consider about getting snowshoes in our area. Now, some of you out there are going to be going, it don't snow here. I'm in Florida or I'm in Southern California. Well, hey, are you always going to be there? Do you know for 100% for sure that you are never going to have to relocate for any unknown reason? So if you don't have snow to go hiking in, go out and do normal hikes. Keep practicing your hikes, develop your endurance, and think about it. If you're hiking up in the hills and the mountains outside of LA, hey, they get snow up there. I know, I used to live there. We used to go play in it. So take care of planning out in advance all the possibilities. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps and make sure you have plenty of supplies